Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to enable a two-factor authenticator here in the ECOX network. Why you are gonna be doing this is to ensure that whosoever gets access to your login details or your details from a different phone entirely is not gonna be having an easy access to your phone, except that person does the two-factor authenticator. All right, so you have to ensure that you add higher security into your ECOX network mining platform so that all your mine tokens don't get withdrawn. All right, so because what we are doing here is to mine this token, and this token is currently tradable and sold in the black market. All right, you can also trade your tokens right at the P2P group, and the link to the P2P group is right at the description of this video. All right, so in this video I'm going to go straight on how to enable the two-factor authenticator in order to secure your platform from hackers. All right, and then the next video I'm going to be showing you how I sell these tokens. So if you're new to this channel, kindly ensure you hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that whenever I drop a new video about this project and other feature updates, you're going to be updated on time. And do your best to join the WhatsApp and Telegram group to stay updated on when the listing of this project is going to be happening. So without further ado, let's get started. So here's the page to the ECOX platform. So immediately you log into the platform, you are gonna be clicking right here. Okay, you are gonna be clicking right here. After clicking on it, you now head over to where you have this profile and settings right here. You click on profile and settings. After clicking on where you have your profile and settings, just scroll right down below. Scroll right down below where you have this two-factor authenticator right here. You can see this two-factor authenticator right here. Go ahead and click on this sign, toggle it to the right. Okay, so toggle it to the right. After clicking on that toggle, we now come over here and click on this. All right, this is the code that we are going to be using to secure our wallet. Okay, so we'll click on this code. After clicking on that code, now we'll now click on continue. We'll click on continue and then go ahead. It will take us to this page, enable 2FA authentication. Now whenever I take you to this page, you see what they wrote here. They say please enter the verification code you see on your authentication app. So we'll scroll, you minimize and go to your authentication app. Go and install this app from Play Store. Okay, install this authentication app from Play Store. All right, install it. This is how the app look like. This is the symbol. Go over to Play Store and insert it. After inserting it, now you now come over to where you open it. After downloading it, open it, you come to where you have this in the app, this plus sign over here. You click on it. After clicking on it, it will load up this for you. They say enter a setup key. Click on this enter a setup key. Okay, after clicking on that setup key, now we'll now come here and select a name. We'll select any name. All right, but we are going to be using ECOX Network, so we'll write ECOX Network there, right there, ECOX Network right there, and we'll come right here and paste that key that we copied from the ECOX Network. We'll paste that key right here. All right, we'll now come over here. After pasting that key, leave this one the way it is. Okay, but come down here and click on add. All right, we'll click on that add, and I believe it has automatically been added below. You can see here it has been added below. All right, so whenever I want to copy your code, ensure that this little thing going around here, doesn't elapse. You can see it right here. It is going around. Don't make sure it doesn't go round and finish, because if it goes round and finish, the code, any code you copy right there is going to be invalid. So whenever you want to copy a code, ensure that it is timely. All right, it is timely. Okay, so come over here and copy this code. You click on that code right there. After clicking on it, now head back to your 2FA Authenticator and paste that link immediately right here. All right, we'll paste that link that we copied right here. We'll paste, and then we'll click on enter password. We'll select a password I want to be using. You select the password I want to be using, then you click on confirm. All right, after inserting that password, you have to ensure that any password that you put right there is going to be the password that you use in creating this ECOX network, the previous password I used in creating this ECOX network mining before it will be enabled. All right, so after clicking on there, you can now see that after the enable two-factor authenticator has been successfully enabled. All right, that is how you enable this two-factor authenticator. By so doing this, your account is now fully secured from any form of hacking whatsoever. All right, if you have any question, leave them at the comment section. I will reply as soon as possible. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications. And those that don't have that want to join this network and also cash out with others can also join the project, and I'll be dropping the link right at the description of this video. See you in the next video.